Hey everybody. Katie was asking about questions 3, 16, and then Asia asked about question number 12. So I thought we'd do 3, 16, and 12 together. I don't have the packet in front of me. I have this here. So this is number 3. She was curious about it because this is in fact a trinomial. Trinomial meaning it's a three-termed polynomial. So this is going to act like every other three-term polynomial because of the fact that you have number and then this power is half of the previous power. So in other words, it's sort of like taking the square root or squaring it. So I can do this. I multiply the two outside numbers together, and so I end up with negative 27. Negative 27, the factors of negative 27 that add to give me negative 26 or negative 27 and a positive 1. Once I get that, I have my, I'm going to do it using the area model, the Fuqua backwards, if you will. That's what I call it because a guy named Alan Fuqua showed me how to do this. So I need to put negative 27x to the third and x to the third and then negative 27 in my boxes. Now I'm going to use greatest common factor. And when I use greatest common factor, I'm going to go left to right, top to bottom, same way we normally would read, and most of our English language focuses left to right, top to bottom. So left to right, what do these two have in common? They both have an x to the third. What do these have in common? They both have a positive 1. Top to bottom, what do these two have in common? X to the third. And what do these two have in common? They both have a negative 27. Okay? So I end up with x to the third minus 27 and x to the third plus 1. Now we have two separate problems. This one is the difference of two cubes, and this guy is the sum of two cubes. So we're going to end up with x minus 3, and then we have x squared plus x, plus 3x. I need to put my 3 in here. And then plus 9. Sorry, yes, plus 9. Okay? And then this guy over here, he's going to give me x plus 1, and then I end up with x squared minus x, and then plus 1. So there's my factored problem all worked out. So I come down here to x plus 1, x minus 3, and then I have my x squared plus 3x plus 9 and my x squared minus x plus 1, both of which of those are not, they don't factor any further, so we're done with those. And that's all we're asked to do as far as factor. If they asked us to solve, then we would set these equal to 0 and solve them, or do synthetic division or whatever that we have to do for that. Okay? Well, that's number 3. The next one you'll see on here will be number 6.